Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are learning about cell structure and its functions. It's understanding the building blocks of life. At the end of this lesson, we will be able to identify the basic parts of a cell. We will be able to describe the function of major cell organelles. We will be able to compare plant and animal cells. We will be able to explain how cell structures support life processes. What is a cell? A cell is the smallest unit of life capable of carrying out all life processes. All living organisms are made of cells. Cells come from existing cells. Cells carry genetic information. There are two main types of cells. The first one is prokaryotic cells. The second is eukaryotic cells. Looking closely at prokaryotic cells, they have no nucleus, a simpler cell structure found in bacteria. On the other hand, eukaryotic cells have a nucleus. They contain organelles, and they are often found in plants, animals, fungi, and protists. Animal cells versus plant cells. Both cells contain the following: cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, ribosomes, mitochondria. Only plant cells have cell wall, chloroplasts, large central vacuole. Cell membrane. The function of the cell membrane is as follows: controls what enters and leaves the cell, has a selective permeability, acts like a security gate for the cell. Check in. Why is it important that cells regulate what enters them? Cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a gel-like fluid that fills the cell. What do cytoplasms do? They hold organelles in place. It's the site of many chemical reactions. The nucleus. What is the function of the nucleus? The nucleus is often called the cell's control center. The nucleus directs the cell's activities and protein production. In the nucleus, there are the following: DNA, the genetic instructions, and chromosomes. Mitochondria. What is the function of the mitochondria? It produces energy for the cell. The cellular respiration. Powerhouse of the cell. Check in. Why do cells need energy? Plant cell organelles. It has a unique structure. The cell wall provides support and protection. Chloroplast, site of photosynthesis, central vacuole, stores water and nutrients. Check for understanding. 1. What structure controls what enters and leaves the cell? 2. Which organelle produces energy for the cell? 3. What structure allows plants to perform photosynthesis? 4. What is the difference between plant and animal cells?